Good morning, boys. What are you doing?
We are laying down, and I'm gonna get my feet.
Yeah? Are you playing with baby Mark?
Yeah.
Are you boys going to go out in the snow later?
Yeah.
What do you want to do in the snow, Gabriel?
I'm gonna make a big ball.
You're going to make a big ball? Are you going to make a snowman?
Yeah.
What's the snowman going to look like?
She's gonna get a carrot.
We're going to get a carrot?
No. The snowman is gonna get the carrot.
Oh.
And the squirrel is eating the carrot, and the dirty raccoon is eating the zucchini.
Wow. That's pretty interesting, Gabriel. Are you going to go sledding?
Yeah, I built a snowman, but the stone raccoon is eating the zucchini.
Oh, that's so silly. Let's go look at the snow, shall we? Yeah, let's look at the snow. Oh, it's so bright. See, there's the snow. We measured it last night, and we've got about 23 inches on our deck. You can tell it's very deep, but it's very pretty. See, it's our backyard.